Jim Cramer is very bullish on the stock. As we've seen in the past, he made a bullish video on Nvidia, and guess what? It dropped. And the same thing is kind of happening. But we did have a little bit of bad news. But with that being said, if we look at the overall market, as we've seen with SPY, we kind of had a rally up and then a dip on that also, kind of around the same spot as crowd. But with that being said, we're going to be telling you guys why he's bullish on the stock, and if this is a good stock to have in your long term and or short term traded. With that being said, he highlights CrowdStrike's robust business fundamentals and effective leadership under CEO George Kurtz. Despite a recent global outage caused by a software glitch, Kurtz's proactive response, including a comprehensive apology tour, has helped restore investors' confidence into the stock. Following the outage, CrowdStrike stocks experienced a decline. However, Cramer believes this presents a buying opportunity for long-term investors. With that being said, kind of to have your mind on long-term stocks. With that being said, if you are investing in the long term, I do recommend, have a 5 to 10 year hold and especially a 20-year hold. With that being said, how is this stock looking overall? So with that being said, if we just zoom out a little bit in the 4-hour time frame, as you guys can see, we're consistently bullish overall. So, I mean, if you guys are holding this for the 10-year and or longer, you're going to be overall up. And with that being said, with this recent dip, we did dip below a level that we were at, in 2024, or last year, basically, a level that we were at last year. We are kind of dipping below that. So why is this a key thing to look at? Because this is a great buying opportunity, because we still have a gap to fill upwards all the way up to that 450 level. So $100 more we can fill upwards. So if you guys have one share of this, you can maybe potentially gain $100 within, a year or two, and then it's going to keep on going up. And you can even see gaps to fill downwards. So I do recommend looking at that 340 level first, where it bounced off of multiple times before it rallied up. And if it breaks below that, you just have a better buying opportunity. This is one that you can buy now and then dollar cost average if it keeps dropping, especially with the market uncertainty right now. It has been falling with the tariffs and falling even more with the bad news that we got. We do also got some opinions that are positive. Cramer's bullish outlook is supported by favorable analyst assessments. Firms such as JP Morgan, UBS, and Morgan Stanley has issued a positive notes on CrowdStrike, praising its technology and market position. They also have growing demand for cybersecurity solutions. The increasing complexity of cyber threats has heightened the demand for advanced cybersecurity solutions. CrowdStrike's platform is well positioned to capitalize on this trend, offering comprehensive protection against sophisticated attacks. So basically, in summary, Jim Cramer's bullishness on CrowdStrike stems from company's strong fundamentals, effective management, and positive analyst support, and the growing need for robust cybersecurity solutions. With that being said, I honestly think that this is a decent long term, especially the way it dipped. And if we can find like a bottom, honestly, finding the bottom, you miss out on it. But with that being said, if you can find a decent buying opportunity, this is a great one to add to your long term, and you can even get some short term gains out of this one. With that being said, thanks for watching the video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new, make sure post notifications are on so you guys never miss out on an upload. Also, I just made a video on the Tesla Cybertruck on it getting banned in the UK, and also a market outlook video. So go check those out if you guys want. If not, thanks for watching. Thanks for giving me your time, and peace out.